absolutely beautiful. You know, folks, I wasn't sure where I was going to visit today, but as I was looking at different places, I realized I haven't been here for quite a while. And this is one of those hidden gems within a town that is just so beautiful. And it's another reserve. It's a piece of property that has been preserved by the town of Westport for people to come and just relax and to enjoy being surrounded by nature. We're going to enjoy being out here for a little while. I have my sparkling beverage and my food, and we're just going to kick back and just relax here today for a little while, enjoying this gorgeous day, beautiful fall colors, a little cool, a little warm. I might be taking off the hoodie pretty soon, but we'll see how that goes. All right, enough of me blabbing. Let me give you another look at this beautiful location. Wow, absolutely beautiful, folks. You know, and I was sitting here just thinking and just pondering where I'm at and how beautiful this place is. And one of my goals for the channel is to bring to you folks these beautiful locations, not only for hiking and camping, enjoying the surrounding area like that, but really diving into being immersed in these wonderful lands that we have been given to us. And when I'm not filming, there is a time span that I'm just sitting and just relaxing and meditating and just becoming one with nature. And I know this is going to be the thing that you hear a lot from me, folks, because it's so important for us to immerse ourselves in this environment. So many people have gotten away from it, and I want to bring it back. I want to bring back that tranquility and that peace, that joy and the happiness, and that feeling of pure satisfaction, you know, feeling like you belong, because you do. So if anyone ever tells you that you don't listen to them. Stay positive. Think on beautiful things. Have thoughts that uplift your spirit. And if you have to, folks, come out to places like this and just take a little while, even if it's for a couple of hours, to just decompress. And like I said, become one with nature. Enjoy the beautiful creation that we have been given to us by our Creator. So, I'm just looking up because the sun is just peeking through the trees and it looks absolutely beautiful. Alright, folks, there's the deep thoughts for today. And that's exactly what I'm going to do now. I'm going to kick back, just relax, put the camera away, and just immerse myself in being one with nature. I hope you folks are enjoying these videos here. If you do, do me a favor, hit that like button. And let other people know that the Nature Man is out there doing his thing, enjoying life, getting one with nature, getting dirty with nature. Yeah, that happens a lot too. And just living life to the fullest. All right, folks. I'll catch up with you soon. As always, take care. God bless. Enjoy every moment of life. And I'll see you on the next adventure.